Hi, I'm Linda Philby with the Linda Philby team at Houlihan Lawrence. Today we are at 255 Barnard Road in Larchmont, New York. The idea was to create a home that is beautifully designed with luxurious elements and functionality that would last for decades. An inspiring and stunning renovation with a coveted open floor plan and generously proportioned spaces, this 1932 home has been beautifully designed with a keen sense of style and sophistication. The kitchen is the heart of this spectacular home, and its large-scale and impeccable renovation have made for family gatherings and entertaining. The adjacent family room is complete with fireplace and flanking custom built-ins with French doors that open to the grounds and patios. As you can see, this is a magnificent property that offers the ease of everyday living.